Satisfying blackhead removal. Deep pore cleaning. Blackhead removal videos are some of the most satisfying skincare content to watch. In today's video, we are performing a deep pore cleaning treatment focused on removing blackheads and improving skin clarity. This treatment helps clear clogged pores and restore smooth, healthy skin. Stay until the end to enjoy the satisfying transformation. What causes blackheads? Blackheads form when oil, dirt, and dead skin cells block the pores. When these pores remain open, the trapped material oxidizes and turns dark. This leads to the formation of blackheads, which can make the skin look uneven. Deep pore cleaning process. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. This removes surface impurities and prepares the skin for deeper cleaning. Steam is then applied to open the pores. This makes the extraction process easier and more effective. Blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. Each extraction is done slowly and gently to avoid irritation. This step is the most satisfying part of the treatment. Skin soothing. After extraction, soothing products are applied. These help calm the skin and reduce redness. Hydration helps restore the skin barrier. Final results. After the treatment, the pores appear cleaner and the skin looks smoother. Regular deep pore cleaning can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.